To accomplish independence and freedom for the United States, three principles are required. First, feed yourself. The United States has long been the breadbasket of the world. Our food production provides sustenance to our citizens, optimizes their health, strengthens their immunity, and provides essential nourishment and nutrition for the rest of the world. So the first fist of freedom is to feed yourself. The second fist of freedom is to fuel yourself. The United States is energy independent and has been for some time. Since then, the USA has become fuel independent through expansion of shale production, oil production, wind power, solar power, nuclear power, geothermal power, and hydroelectric power, as well as wood biomass and waste. So the second fist of freedom is fuel. The third fist of freedom is forge. We have to manufacture products in our country to bring jobs back here and also for our freedom. The N95 face masks. Our big growth in China exemplifies the use of PPE manufacturer PP in China. Recently, on April 9, 2020, the Defense Act was put in use. As in previous times, American industry has stepped up in times of war. In this crisis, Ford has been authorized to help out during the Corona outbreak. During World War II, Ford Motor Company produced tanks and jeeps and others for the American side during World War II. Who is making face masks? Electronics. Our electronics, including our cell phones, are currently made by the following countries: 80% of our daily medications are made in China, or with base chemicals, which are made in China. Pharmaceutical production has slowly been moved overseas for some time as well, with the loss of essential drugs for our citizenship in our military. We are held hostage when old drugs are needed for new purposes such as hydro and hydroxy, not to mention essential maintenance drugs such as insulin, blood pressure medications, and diabetic medications. Then there's automobile production. In 1955, the U.S. auto production was 98% domestically produced and exported to the rest of the world. Since then, we have given up this vital manufacturing to other nations. As other nations step up production and import vehicles, including bicycles, motor vehicles, watercraft, aircraft, and spacecraft. The United States has accomplished two of the three required fists of freedom. We now must forge our future by bringing manufacturing of all critical products and services within our border and under the control of the citizens of the United States.